In the Indonesian archipelago, a Komodo dragon is on the hunt. Its forked tongue tastes the air, leading it to a strange creature. A swift bite reveals a surprising meal, hundreds of larvae inside. As an opportunistic carnivore, it doesn't hesitate. But the dragon's greatest struggle is not the hunt, but a persistent war waged upon its own skin. Giant parasites have breached its armored scales. They burrow into softer flesh, siphoning the host's vital blood and nutrients. This is a permanent burden, a constant drain on its strength, a reminder that even an apex predator is an ecosystem, locked in a relentless struggle for survival.